Good day everyone. I'm Manuel Simon, a criminology student from PCCR. Today, I'm here at the Polygraph Laboratory Interrogation Room. And I want to share to you why this is the laboratory that I'm excited the most to try. I'm fascinated with this lab because the polygraph is a very specialized tool that allows us to assess truthfulness during an interrogation. Being inside this lab gives me a glimpse of how investigators gather reliable information while maintaining professionalism and ethical standards. For this laboratory, I expect to gain skills in interviewing, observation, and interpreting physiological responses such as changes in breathing, blood pressure, and pulse. I also look forward to learning how to properly operate the polygraph machine and conduct interrogation that are respectfully yet effective. These skills will help me a lot in my criminology journey and future career because interrogation and truth verification are essential in law enforcement and criminal investigation. By mastering these techniques, I will be more prepared to handle real-life cases, uncover the truth, and contribute to the pursuit of justice. That's why the Polygraph Laboratory excites me the most. It trains us not only in technical knowledge, but also in discipline, patience, and critical thinking as future criminologists. And here's one of the example of polygraph machine. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to experience more of what PCCR has prepared for us, for our future crime fighters, future criminologists.